Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to Apna Career channel. So I hope your preparation is going in proper direction. One update is from BDL for you regarding post management trainee. Official syllabus released by them. Okay. Now in this video only I will discuss the changes. Not I will discuss everything because already in the first strategy video I discussed everything. Okay. Don't worry, I will pin that video in the comment section so you can watch. Those who are new or those who are old students, they can also watch that video. Okay. So only changes I will discuss in the video, and then what will be our expected exam date. Okay, these two discussions we will do in this video. So let's start our video. Okay, so first change in non-technical portion. So as you already know, okay, when I uploaded the first video of BDL preparation strategy, I told you quant reasoning English, right? This is based on 2016 and 14 pattern. Now second time, one update from them that instead of quant, general awareness is there, okay, and reasoning and English. Now again they change it, and now the third and final time your syllabus of non-technical, which having 50 marks, okay, will be quant, reasoning and English. Means whatever I told in first strategy video, all the things will be same here. Okay, there will be no change. And we have distributions of non-technical now. As you can see, quant they will ask for 20 marks, reasoning 15, English 15. Means question will be also 20, 15, 15. Total 50 questions, 50 marks, right? Because there is no negative marking, we know already. And now, sorry. So now, see, you need to also focus more on English because recently HL paper was there. I hope many of you also give HL paper. Okay, in that many candidates perform mistake in English, basically in grammar, in words and everything like that. Okay, and because of that only, okay, so I guess HPCL was there. I don't know. I forget HL or HPCL. So in that many student neglect English subject. So that's why I'm telling you now. Focus more on English. Okay. Regular those who are on Telegram or Telegram channel, just keep following our PDFs. Okay. Daily PDF you are getting of quant, reasoning, English and general awareness. Now there is no tension as general awareness is not there, but still English will be there, which will decide okay your marks. So that's why focus more on this because content reasoning you will do anyhow. Okay, once you complete your syllabus, then definitely you can solve any questions of content reasoning. So after completion of each and every topic, just you if you practice daily PDF of content reasoning, that is daily 20 questions, that will be enough till your exam. Okay, so no need to do extra thing here. So rest of the things will be same for content reasoning and English. Already I mentioned in the last video. Okay, now come to technical section. So in technical section, let's start with branch wise. So for civil engineers, there is no change. Okay, mechanical also no change. Okay, now EC and electronics. So basically all the syllabus whatever I told you, in that I also mentioned material science and measurement. So this time they ignore this and you don't need to do these subjects. Okay, so you will not do material science and measurement. So just skip this. Obviously measurement will require for BRC. Those who applied for BRC also definitely you need to do, but for a BDL there is no measurement. Okay, for electrical also there is no change. For CSE there is change in mathematics. Okay, so in mathematics you guys will do only linear algebra, discrete mathematics, probability and calculus. That's it. No need to do extra topic other than this. Okay, and in technical section I mentioned software engineering. This also they ignore or not included, so just don't do software engineering. But those who already apply for NILET, definitely software engineering will be there. Okay, so you should know that for what exams you fill the form, BRC, NILET, BDL, IGCAR. Okay, and depending on that just write on one paper that what syllabus you have, so you can shift accordingly as per your exam date of each of the exams, right? So this is the changes in the technical section, which having your 100 marks, so total 150 marks, 150 questions and no negative marking. Okay, now the most important thing. Okay, other post, that is business development, finance and human resource, I will attach your syllabus in the comment section. Okay, so you guys also can view the syllabus. Whatever syllabus is there, you can refer that. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Okay, now about expected exam date. That as already I told you in the first video that 3 to 4 months will they give you. Okay, so from July, okay, then August, September, October. So last you can expect your exam in October second week. Definitely before this any update I will share with you. Okay, don't worry about that. But our target date will be October 2nd minimum. I am telling you, maximum it will go to October last also and November also. Okay, for now. So our target will be October 2nd week. So till October 2nd week, we need to complete all the syllabus given by them perfectly. Okay, because we want perfect, and this is very good opportunity for you. As you know already, salary is also good, and I don't think many candidates apply to this post. Okay, because of the awareness level. So definitely this is very good chance for you guys. Okay, so just make it, and including this, if you have any query, any doubt, then definitely you can comment down below. Okay, and you can ask me on Instagram also if you want to ask me personally something, right? So if you have any query, any doubt, just comment down below. And now if you didn't start your preparation, it's time to start, because they release the syllabus. Okay, and we have only September and October in our hand. So just plan accordingly and do your best. Okay, all the best.